Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this thing. This is just like a, oh my, you can hear the roar of it. We're gonna have to get ready to run. We're gonna have to get ready to run. Walk, oh my god, look at this freaking mezzo in there. You can see the right edge of it, but you can't see the left edge. And I hear a tornado, you can hear the roar. You can hear the roar. Oh my god. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Oh my god, we're gonna have to run. We're gonna have to run. Or I can go to Dean's house and take some shelter. Yeah, we're gonna have to go here in 30 seconds. 30 seconds, we got 30 seconds. We're gonna have to go 30 seconds. You can hear the roar of this likely large tornado on the ground. Sitting there bedding in the rain. I swear I'm seeing power flashes over there. Oh my chat. Oh my god. This is scary. I'm literally here on the middle of the road. Let me get my GoPro recording. Come on, I need my GoPro. I need my GoPro. Got 30 seconds. Large tornado on the ground. It's right in there. Oh god, that person's driving into it. Large tornado on the ground. Oh my god. Okay, 3. Yep, it's moving fast. We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go. Yep, go, go, go. I hear the rain. We're going, we're going. Oh my chat. Oh my flip. We gotta go, gotta go. The freaking rain is coming in. I don't have long. There's a freaking large tornado on the ground. Large tornado on the ground right in there in the rain. Yep, go, 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 go. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Go, run. You can freaking hear the roar of the tornado too. Yep, run, 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 run. I get battered by 40 mile per hour winds, probably, maybe 70. There's a storm chaser ahead of me. I have to go, we're gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to report to my parents. Oh my flip. What's that? What's freaking that? Run! Why you doing that? Oh, we have a wedge tornado on the ground? Bet in heavy rain. I just got to freak out dodge. Oh my god, you can still hear the roar of it. You can't through the microphone because of the when I'm driving through. I'm gonna the heck out dodge. I just got some awesome GoPro footage. Got a nice shelf. I am not muted. I am not muted. Stop saying that. Sydney, I know I'm not muted.